Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda, and today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to do a review of the Maybelline, the new lip kits. They're the Python metallic lip kits, and we're also going to do our eyes using the Anastasia Prism Palette. So let's just get right into that. So when I saw these at Target, I was super excited and I couldn't wait to try one, and because I'm on a kind of a really strict no buy, I was like really wanted to get a few of them to try, but I just chose one, and for some reason it was this one. It's in number 10 piercing, and when you look on the back, it's like this beautiful like maroony color, and then it looks like you have almost like a silver like powder to go over it, and so when you open it up, that's what it looks like. And in person and also on camera, it definitely looks more gray. So I'm very interested to see how this wears. The compact doesn't come with a mirror and it doesn't come with a brush. It just comes with the product. And I just accidentally dug my nail into it, so let's see how it swatches. It definitely swatches it's definitely plum. It's definitely plum. So that's exciting. Ooh, and I figured with that kind of like grungy kind of feel for the lips, I wanted to do, this is just what I thought of. So let's kind of jump into this. I haven't used this palette in quite a while. So let's just kind of jump right in. I think what I'm gonna do is nothing too crazy because I don't want to distract from the new lip kit that we're trying. So let's go in with kind of these three colors right here. They're all matte, so Unity, Eden, and Parallel. First I'll start with Unity. So there is a new Anastasia palette that's going to be coming out. It was launched on their website on Valentine's Day on February 14th. It's called the Soft Glam palette, and I was super excited at first, but I was like, oh, I don't really need it. So I didn't do any. I feel like my camera is crooked. Okay, I think it's good now. I didn't do any ordering of the palette because again, like I said in the intro, I'm really in a kind of strict no buy with myself. I have to try to get my finances in order before I keep investing more money in like my kind of like career, I guess, on YouTube. And I mean, I have very low subscriber count right now, so I don't get PR, so I don't get makeup for free. And so that's something that I have to like be very smart about how I spend my money, because this is kind of like my side hustle right now, you know, even though I want it to be more of a career for me. Okay, so that's definitely not like a color that I could set my lids with. That is one thing about this palette. It's kind of fun and crazy. Okay, so let's go in with that Eden color. It's the one to the left. Man, this color is crazy. This is Sphere? I never learned phonics, guys. Maybe I'll put that in my inner corner. This is definitely a little powdery, and the kind of shimmers are very buttery. What do you think? That color? So these shimmer shades do not apply well with a brush. And now that I'm thinking about it, the shade that we're using with the lip kit, I don't know if I should have done a shimmer on the lid to begin with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some of it on my other eye, and then we'll see what happens. if I put some of this color on top of it. This is the Saturn color, and what I did is I just kind of tapped the excess off on my hand just so we wouldn't be going in with something super pigmented. Now I'm just going to do the lower lash line. So I wanted something super grungy, which, yeah, I kind of like this. I kind of like that we put the matte on top of the shimmer. So on the lid, when I first went in with the shimmery shade, it was this shade here, Pyramid, and then I went in with Saturn to kind of go over that, and then I used Parallel with this this brush right here. It's like an angled shader brush to do my outer corner. And let's see, let's just like jump in and go in with Sphere. Ooh, these shades are pretty powdery. Okay, so something like that. I definitely wanted something grungy kind of to go with this lip kit, so I guess this is kind of grungy for me. Let's just do mascara and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just added a little bit more of that even color underneath my lower lash line because looking at it with mascara and with this Sphere color in the inner corner, it just needed some connection. Do you guys ever get that like high-pitched ringing in your ear? Yeah, I just got that. Anyway, okay, so I actually don't have a lip brush like to apply lip products with, so I just got these two. This is an e.l.f. small smudger brush, which is like a very tiny, it's like stiff, and then oh my gosh. This just lost its head, so I won't be using him. I do have like angled brushes, but I wasn't sure if it was stiff enough. So okay, let's just go into this lip kit and just like give it a shot, huh? I hope that this doesn't clash too much with the eyes because they ended up being very orangey and yellow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the, oh, I have a sore throat, sorry, that hurt. So I'm just going to use the mirror from the Prism Palette. So I'm just going to go in with this brush and try it. And I'm going to use the same technique I would use when applying regular lipstick, like a bullet lipstick or any lipstick really. So I'm going to start in like the middle on the Cupid's bow of my upper lip and then kind of draw the outline from there. So this is definitely not like, this is pigmented, but you definitely have to get product on your brush. And it could be that I'm just using the wrong brush because I don't have a lip brush, but let's just keep going. Okay, so now that the lipstick is fully applied, I'm gonna do a little bit of the powder, and so I'm kind of just gonna be, I think I'm gonna apply it in the center, and I think I'm just gonna try to use my finger. So it looks like this. Okay, so something like that. All right, I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can actually see. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that is like something else. Okay. Oh, I just kicked my tripod. Okay guys, I just wanted to kind of wrap this up and give you my thoughts on this lip kit. So the Python lip kits are, I purchased it for around $8 at Target, and typically a lipstick from Maybelline, I don't think it's that expensive. I think it's around the $5–6 range. So it's definitely worth this product for the additional few dollars. The actual metallic powdery part looks kind of just like an eyeshadow. The lipstick itself is not as opaque as I thought it would be, but I also chose a really hard color. Like this plum color is kind of like the bullet lipstick I wore to my friend's 80s, 90s wedding shower party. We all dressed up. And the deep like plum colors were surprisingly really hard to get, like a really pigmented one. So maybe it's just a really hard color to make. But yeah, so this is like, whoo, I feel like I need to put more blush on or something. It like is really like just washing me out a little bit. But I love it with the eye makeup. The eye makeup came out really pretty good, I think. Definitely completely out of my comfort zone as far as what I normally do. But when applying this product, I suggest using a brush for the lipstick like I did, and then your finger is just fine for the powder. On the actual packaging, it shows you using your finger for both, but I don't see how you could get a precise enough application with just your finger, especially with this dark of a color. But yeah, so those are my thoughts. I definitely think these are super cool, and this is definitely a color I got to be fun because this is not something I typically wear on a day-to-day basis. As you guys know, I love me my red lipstick, and I plan on doing a favorite reds video. I'm kind of gathering up my all my lipsticks and like making notes and stuff for myself on things that I want to bring out to you guys. Just like researching a little bit before I do a video. But yeah, I wanted to just thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!